Alright, nakikita niyo na po ba yung ating ano?
Yes, sir. Nakikita na po yung screen.
Alright, so good morning, no? I will not take so much of the time because if you were oriented already, session 1 is all about diagnostic exam. So we will be simulating the mock boards, and then sa dulo, you'll also be able to you will be again taking another set of mock boards, and then you will see the improvement. So ano yung mga tips natin? First, let's take a look at the review structure. So every Sunday we have a regular meeting, no? So this is session 1 until the last session. So ano yung ating mga laman ng meeting na yon? So ang first, we start at 9 a.m. We will have the review of the previous meeting's assessment. Kasi tawag dito, every meeting, meron po tayong assessment, no? So it will range from a 20-point assessment to a 40-point assessment, depende sa uh, gravity ng topics na discuss. So, tsaka depende sa difficulty din, no? So that would be the first thing. We will review and we will answer the previous meeting's assessment. So kunwari, session 3, sisimulan natin yung session 3 ng pagdi-discuss ng mga sagot ng session 2's assessment. Then we'll do the lecture 10:30. But if we end early dun sa review of the previous meeting's assessment, baka mga 10 simula na ng lecture. And then it will go on whole day until 3:30. That will be the assessment for that current meeting. So ganun yung structure. Yes, of course may lunch naman tayo, no, na pause. And then we'll have a little bit of mental breaks. No, I usually give 7-minute mental breaks in the morning and then 7-minute mental breaks in the afternoon just to be able to, break the ice. No? So, ngayon, session 1, so technically, we don't have the previous meetings assessment. So what will happen today? Session 1 is today, July 27, 2025. Sir Bong started the orientation at 9. We will start the diagnostic 1 at 10, which is organic chemistry. You can have your lunch during the exam or whatsoever, and then we'll do the diagnostic 2 for analytical chem. Now, what is our role here? Our role here is I will be online the whole session, no, for until 5. If there are glitches, if there are questions, etc. But what are my tips for the diagnostic exam? First tip, number 1, is to answer it, no, and maximize the time allotted for it. So there are questions which you think are correctly answered already, but pag review nyo, mali pala. So ganun lagi tayo nagkakamali kahit sa board exam, no? Out of overconfidence, sinishade agad natin yung sagot, but hindi na natin re-review for the second time. Ay mali pala yung sagot. So ano yung ating strategies for taking the exam? Number 1 is to do the elimination. So there are 2 tips into answering multiple choice questions. First is the direct method. Pag sinabi mong direct, sure ka agad dun sa sagot. Out of the 4, alam ko, letter C yung sagot. That's a direct method. Number 2 is the elimination method. No? So elimination is that we eliminate options which are nonsense, which are obviously incorrect. So if you are very confident, you can do the direct method, but I would suggest, no, that we do the elimination method all the time to be able to make sure that we get the correct answer. Okay, tip number 2 is that since diagnostic ito, yung ibang reviewers and ibang students nagre-resort into, googling the answers, searching the answers in the internet, etc. since online siya. Don't do that. Answer this as honestly as possible. Kumbaga, yung stock knowledge nyo lang kasi this will also help us to be able to see kung ano yung status ng ating reviewees. So, pag ito inaya ninyo, obviously, isipin namin galing na to. So, we'll do the regular sessions, etc. Hindi namin makikita na, dapat ito pala yung tutukan natin ng question, ng attention during the review. No? So, as a former professor, I think we also have here an instructor currently teaching. Tama ba? Si Sir Mark? Sir Mark, saan university ka nagtuturo, if I may? If you don't
Ano
mind.
po sir, currently working po sa currently teaching as a part-time faculty po in School of Pharmacy in Metropolitan Medical Center and World City Colleges po.
Ah, wow. World City Colleges is the one in Anonas,
Yes
tama ba?
po, opo.
Okay. As a yun, part-time, no?
Opo.
Okay, yun. So, no, as professors ourselves, we know that dapat we will be able to answer the multiple choice questions. That's for organic, no? But Sir Bong, Gusto ko kasi mauna nilang sagutan yung organic kasi nandun yung general chem eh. Yung access ba natin, naka ano na pwedeng sagutan kahit ano?
Yes po. Yes,
Pwede
sir.
nilang
Pwede po.
unahin ng kahit ano.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Nakaset
so
po yan.
nakaganon pala yung ating, okay, thank you. So you
Although
may answer
naka-level po
any
na,
pala either first.
sorry, sir.
Sige sir, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. Although naka-level po si Analytical Chem na part 1, pwede po nilang i-take kahit ano dun.
Okay, thank you sir. Okay. So ayan. So you will take that starting at 10. So it's already 9:36. Again, I'll be online the whole session technically syempre kasi this should be my session 1, no? And then ang last tip ko is that isipin niyo parang boards na siya. So calculator on the side and make sure na approve yung calculator for use. Kasi meron tayong mga list of approved calculators no for the board exam. Alam ko naman yung iba nakapag-take na. And then no periodic tables, no? No periodic tables will be provided. So don't use any periodic tables. Yung mga molar masses, etc. of the hard to memorize elements and compounds, nakalagay naman siya sa question. But for the basic, dapat memorize na siya. No? For hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, etc. Phosphorus, dapat memorize natin. Hydrogen is 1, carbon is 12, nitrogen is 14, oxygen 16, sulfur is 32, phosphorus is 31, fluorine is 19, etc. Okay? So you have 23 minutes to internalize, etc. No? So this is the most chill session 1. Ito yung pinaka-chill. Kasi pagdating ng session 2, we will answer some questions from the review diagnostic exam during the 9 a.m. mark. And then we will right away start with our session 1. Okay? So the passing should be, no? We're aiming here for, syempre above. Gusto natin mag-aim above the passing rate. So 75 to 80% correct, no? Hopefully, we get those numbers. But if you don't get those numbers, it's okay, no? Just to give you an overview, no? Dati, yung mga previous, may nagsiscore ng 20, 30, 40, but end up passing the Chemtech board examination. So kahit makakakuha kayo ng 30 or 40, it's not the end of the world dito sa diagnostic exam. Kaya nga tayo nagda-diagnostic para malaman kung ano yung focusan natin. Okay? So I think, no, I will not hold you for long so that you can prepare, no? You can open your diagnostic exam 1 at 10 from your portal and then diagnostic exam 2, no? Pero nilabel ko pa rin siyang 1 because it's diagnostic session 1 at 2 p.m. also from your portal. Okay? I think Sir Bong has already created their community thread, no, so you can post and talk, no, just to post your thoughts or whatsoever, no, doon. Okay? And then I would also like to remind everyone of the confidentiality clause, no. So are they allowed do you call this? Makikita niyo yung mga sagot doon but you're not allowed to share it with other people. Yung mga questions, etc. Because that's technically property of Equip. Okay? So good luck and thank you. That's all.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.